I want that modified Continental GT. Welcome to Motos, Cades, and Coffee. Guys, Brent, the owner of Maverick Motorsports, says, hey, while we're working on your bike, pick any bike you want, go riding a little bit. And I'm like, really? He's like, yeah. I'm like, I want that modified Continental GT. Looks like they got custom exhaust. What's the deal with the exhaust, or what kind of mods do we have on this one?
So it's basically just somebody took it for a test ride and didn't work out. So we put a bunch of new stuff on there and we cut the exhaust and our techs in the back welded up this guy here.
Wow.
Took off his mirrors, put the sidebar mirrors.
Yeah.
Other than that, it's pretty much stock. We just kind of did that. And
Let's hear it.
Sounds like a
Let's hear it. Oh! Wow. Oh my God. Oh, let's check that headlight out. Oh, an LED tail. Okay, you got yeah. Oh yeah. And it's amazing. Right? It make a world of difference. Yeah. Very cool. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, I can't wait to give it a little ride here. All sorts of fun stuff on this one. Here we go. Listen to that thing. Get my gloves on. We'll go for a little spin. Look at that headlight. Very cool. Let's go. All right. This sounds wicked. That sounds so good. It's more stable than the last Interceptor 650 I drove. I think it's because of the weight forward. It's a little less nimble than the Interceptor 650, just in low speed, but high speed, let's find out. It feels really planted and stable. Really draggedy. Tightening up. Get on the gas, trail brake. Trail brake bit on the gas, out in the corner. Looks wise, this thing nails it. Hands down, nails it. Fit and finish, great. Powertrain on this, smooth. Completely smooth all the way to rev line, pulling, no flat spots. Clutch, great, period. Lightweight, great. Comfort on this guy. It's a cafe, so yeah, it's comfortable. The seat's great, but you are a little more knee tuck position. Handlebar, you got a little more weight on the handlebars. That's just the style of it. I tell you what, everywhere I go, people are revving their engine at this bike like they want to race it. It is not extremely fast. It is absolutely competent and capable, and you are not buying this bike to be the fastest person out there. You're buying it because it looks cool, it handles pretty nicely, the cornering was very solid. This thing sounds amazing with this exhaust that they have on here, that Maverick Motorsports put on here, custom exhaust. Oh yes, 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 just amazing. Maybe that's why everyone wants to race it. And for the price you're paying, man, you just can't go wrong with this. I mean, if you want to get a bobber Triumph that looks like this, almost, you know, the slight favorite, you're paying $4,000 to $5,000 more. You could do a lot with $4,000 to $5,000. The fit and finish on this was just nice. Everything was very good. A lot of looks, if you're interested in a Continental GT with amazing custom exhaust, beautiful modifications, go ahead and reach out to Maverick Motorsports in Missoula, Montana. I'm sure they'll cut you some fantastic deal on a fantastic motorcycle. They let me take this guy out, and you will enjoy this motorcycle. All right, again, thanks for watching, guys.